So hi again everyone, and welcome to another project for Birgit's Mixed Media crew. And this week I am working in a little pencil case that I've had actually in my stash for ages. It's kind of like a paper. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it takes the paint really well. I was worried it might kind of rub off on it, but it's actually taken it really well. So it's kind of like a coated paper, so that's why I was worried that it would rub off, but it took the paint great. And I'm using a couple of colors of my favorite acrylics, and I'm going in here with a few marks on there with my favorite violet paint. This is just a really cheap craft paint, but I really love the color of this purple. It's just really nice. So I'm using a smaller paintbrush than I used before, and I'm just adding in a few little marks across the page just to kind of let them stand out and create a kind of focal point for my page. So I'm using the Life is Pretty Awesome stamp set here, and I'm using a Stays On Black to just give it a really nice bold outline, and I'm stamping it on top of the pencil case here, and as you can see it gave a really nice impression. So I'm using the kind of scribbled heart that's in the set, and I'm also using these little kind of doodle dots as well. I really love them for the background, so I'm just going ahead with the black Stays On again right over the top of the paint that I've already put down here. So I'm using my Posca paint pen here, and I'm just going over the top of the inside of the heart there, and because these Posca paint markers are one of my favorite. They're super matte, and there's a little cameo there from my cat Archie. So the Posca paint markers, they go right over the top of the Stays On, and you really can't see it at all. They're really vibrant, these markers. They're one of my new favorites. So just coloring in the center of the heart there with this lovely neon pink to just really make that heart pop out. So I'm going in again with my Jelly Roll markers here. These are the Moonlight ones, the neon colours, and I'm just adding in a few pops of colour to the different dots inside there that I stamped on top. So I'm just going in with the sentiment here, Life is Pretty Awesome, and again I'm using the black Stays On just to finish off my pencil case here. So I'm really pleased with the way that it turned out. The paint went on really well, and I'll definitely be using it for all of my different markers that I have lying around the place. So thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time.